It's Friday again, and you know what happens on Friday? That's right, it's the How to Grow Day. This is by far the most popular series which I have received great feedback on, and so we will continue to talk about different kind of plants, more plants, and how to learn how to grow them well. So if you have a particular plant in mind that you want me to review, or you have a particular plant that you want to grow and you want to get it right the first time, just comment below. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and watch the previous videos of this series. Because we have reviewed a lot of different kind of plants and using the same technique, the same method, and that's how you can become a better gardener. So today we are going to talk about money plant, and it is the most common house plant to grow because it seems to be the easiest plant to take care of. It is not very fussy and it can grow really fast. Because it's simple to grow, using this grow method, you will learn a lot better about how all this technique actually work. So this is definitely something that beginners will want to try out and see for themselves. So let's talk about how can we grow money plant well. So as usual, we are going to use the grow method. This method can be applied to any plants anywhere in the world and it will work. So download my free ebook if you have not done so. I will put a link in my description below and you can try it for yourself and see how it works for you. So back to the money plant, the first step is to look for photos of the money plants growing in the wild. Find out what kind of growing conditions they have in the wild and find out more about their natural habitat, their natural home. So what you want to do is that you will want to replicate the same condition as much as you can so that your money plant has everything it needs to grow well. That is how the grow method really works, and that's really the key to gardening success. So here are some photos of money plants found in the wild. Look at the light condition and look at the light they are receiving. They are climbing vines and they are found on climbing on tree trunks, meaning that they are in semi-shade condition where they receive a few hours of direct sunlight and usually bright light throughout the day. So therefore, growing them under bright light for 4 to 6 hours will be good enough for the money plant. And next condition, we looked at watering. They are found in dense forests and thick vegetation, where the soil is usually moist. So we'll want to make sure that when we grow money plant, we'll want to keep the soil moist at all times. And how about potting media? Potting media refers to the soil. Probably the soil in the forest is very water retaining and full of organic matter. So you will want to use regular garden soil to grow the money plant well. The next condition, humidity. Pretty straightforward. With so many plants and so many vegetation in the forest, humidity level will naturally be very high. So make sure you have high humidity in your growing environment. Grow more plants around your money plant, block them from winds, and that's how you increase the humidity level in your growing environment. And the last growing condition is feeding. So the soil in the forest is full of organic matter. So nutrients level will be very high. Therefore, you should always keep your garden soil fertilized. You should follow the fertilizers label, and apply that prescribed amount to your soil on a regular basis. And with all these 5 conditions, there you go. Money plant is probably the easiest plant to grow. Very straightforward, very simple. Just stick to these 5 conditions and you will be fine. This is your best chance to learn more about how you use the grow technique. So if you want to learn more about other plants and how you can grow them well using the grow technique, put a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And I will see you in my next video. And now, go and grow some money plant.